jab step to your left. Right, run this way, and you're gonna be shooting on the run, righty. All right, feel it, feel it. There, boom, get it out. Nice job, Monzo. Feel it. Jab. Good. Here, come back, come back. So you're doing a good job, but you're kind of stopping your feet. You're doing almost like a ball fake. I want you still running full speed. Here, boom, go. Keep your feet moving. Jab and go. Sprint. There you go. Nice job.
Slow down, get that stutter, and go. Good job.
Punch that right hand into your hip. All right, let that left hand slide up, okay? Good. There. Good, and then switch to your left, and then you roll back to your right.
Why are you moving forward? Left, right, left. 3 foot stretch, go. Good. Good, good, good.
All right, listen. Okay, number 1. Who's the communication come for knowing that you're going to clear? Who's the first person? Goalie, right? What does he say? Clear. Okay, what are you guys doing now? Where should my head be? At the goalie. Who has the ball? Goalie. Good. Communication doesn't stop with him. Okay, he makes that pass. What should the opposite side guy be doing? He should be calling what? Over. Over, 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 over. I got to hear everybody. It's got to be communication here to here to here.
A lot of you guys love to step back where you were, and then come around. That's way too many steps to not travel a lot of distance, right? So I want you here with your toe turned, open up like a big man in the NBA, and coming through. You see the difference between the distance for 2 steps where everyone was going for 3 steps. Okay? Running back up. On this one, we're going to be our right foot plant, turn toe, opening up, nice and strong, following our stick, making a hard right-handed pass.
So when you pass, you're ready, right? Yeah. When you pass, you're using a lot of top hand. All right, try and get your hands back and use your bottom hand too. So you want to pull down and then follow through. Right now you're pushing forward. All right, and you can only throw so far that way. Pull down, follow through, here. All right?
Tap down on the ball. On the second whistle, I want you guys to it's called a pro hop. So I want you guys here. Third whistle, you guys are gonna pop the ball out like that. All right?